As we discussed earlier in Unit 1, numbers are very different in English than they are in ASL. And so we're going to discuss two different ways that we have numbers. The first one is the rule of 9. The rule of 9 kind of helps us to see how numbers are done. We're going to lump several different ways that numbers are done, but they all follow the rule of 9. So let me give you an example. The sign for week is week. And the reason that is you can look at your hand and think about that you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all on your hand here. So you have the week. So we have 1 week, we have 2 weeks, 3 weeks, all the way up to 9 weeks. There's your rule of 9. You cannot do 10 weeks. You cannot do 16 weeks. So if somebody said to you, you're taking ASL, how long is your class? If it were 9 weeks, you could say it's a 9-week class. You cannot tell them, oh, my class is 16 weeks. You'd have to say it's 16 weeks. The rule of 9 also applies to days. The sign for day is day. You have your sun, it's like it's at noon, and then the sun goes down and it sets. So you have day. But if we have 3 days, we're going to have 3 days. You can have 5 days. You can have 8 days. So the rule of 9, you can have 1 to 9 days. You cannot have like 12 days. That does not work. You have the rule of 9 applies there. Dollars. This is one you need to be really careful with because we have our ordinal numbers and our counting numbers or regular numbers in English. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Pretty much everything in English follows that. Not so in ASL. In ASL we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So in ASL we would start with our hand out and it's going to rotate in and slide down. Watch. First, second. So it starts up and as it rotates it goes sideways. Second. I know that we're doing this super slow and you're thinking that's not hard. So this is second. This is $2. Very different, but very similar. So we can have 9th place. They came in 9th. We can have $9. $9. So the rule of 9 goes from first to 9th. It also goes for $1 to $9. So in this video here, you've learned your days of the week, your days and weeks, and then your ordinal numbers and your dollars 1 to 9.